How to customize Wix contact form responses. So if you want to customize your responses, you need to customize your fields on your contact. So as of right now, I have name, address, email, phone, subject, and this actual message. So for this one, you can head over and click on your contact form. And then from in there, you should be able to see this quick edit option. Click on this right here. And then you can see here this content that we have. So we have the title, the paragraph, column background, text fields, and lot. So for example, if you're not interested into having the phone number, you can head over and click on the settings right here. And then in here, you can click on this right here and you can make this read only. And you can also put in here some errors method for this one. So for example, let's put in here this. You can also choose the type. You can change it into something other than that. So for example, let's put this right here into our text. So it will now be a text field and not a phone field. So for this case, let's ask them their actual town. So you can add this right here. And as you can see, when you show in here, we have now our town, and that will actually essentially customize our responses. So that's how you customize Wix contact form responses. Hope we help.